Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss some questions, exercise related to prefixes, suffixes, affixes and root words. Let's revise the concept, then we will start our exercise. Base words. As you all know, a base word is a word in its simplest form. A base word has nothing added to it. You all know any word in its simplest form is called base words or root words. For example, do, heat, write, read, pack. There is nothing added to these words. Okay? Do. Do, simple form. Okay? But if I say does, so it is not simple form. Okay? So do is your base word. Yes. So write the base words. This is exercise question. First is played. So base word for played is play. Okay? Second is running. So base word for running is run. Third is reheat. Base word for reheat is heat. Fourth is quickly. So base word for quickly is quick. Okay? Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. Base word for unhappy is happy. Okay? Remove un. So happy is your base word. Okay? So here played. Ed is added at the end of the word. So ed is your suffix. Ing is suffix. But re is added in the beginning of the word. Starting में add है. So re is your prefix. जो starting में add है that is called your prefix. और जो end में add है that is called your suffix. So for played, play, running, run, reheat, heat, quickly, quick, unhappy, happy. Understood? Yes. So prefixes, we are revising our concept. Prefixes are added to the beginning of a base word. They change the meaning of the base word. Okay? Yes. Unhappy. So un is your prefix. Redo. Re is your prefix. So happy means happy. You all know. Khush. Okay? It is an adjective. But when we say unhappy, unhappy is the opposite of happy. The meaning changed. Redo. Do means करना. Okay, do is a verb and redo means फिर से करना. Again उस वर्ब को करना. So meaning again changed. So prefix add करने से हमारे जो base word है उनकी meaning क्या होती है? Change हो जाती है. Yes. So here are some examples. The prefix re means again. Re की meaning again. Reread means to read again. Reread कहेंगे तो re plus read. So read is the root word and re is your prefix. So reread means read again. Rewrite means to write again. What does reheat mean? So can you say what does reheat mean? Yes. Reheat means heat again. Reheat means to heat again. Okay? Yes. Next is the prefix un means not or the opposite of. Okay? Un means not. या किसी भी चीज का opposite बनाने के लिए कुछ words के पहले हम un add कर देते हैं un. It means not. Uncomfortable means not comfortable. So uncomfortable is the opposite of comfortable. Uncomfortable means not comfortable. Unpack means opposite of pack. Okay. So what is the root word in uncomfortable? Comfortable. What is the root word here? Comfortable. Unpack में root word क्या होगा आपका? Pack. Pack is the root word. Un is prefix. So unpack. The new word is unpack. What does unclear mean? So can you say? Can you reply? Unclear means not clear. Unclear means not clear. Okay. So un is your prefix and clear is the root word. Root word is clear. Yes. So this is an exercise for you. Add a prefix to the beginning of each word to make a new word. Draw a line from the word to its meaning. Okay. So blank do. Okay. Let's check from the options. The opposite of pack, not possible. Do again, yes. Do है यहाँ पर, देखिए do again. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पर redo लिखती हूँ, if I add prefix re, redo means do again. Okay. So here the answer will be re, redo, do again. Yes, happy, not happy, and the prefix will be un. Unhappy means not happy. Next is opposite of clear. Opposite of clear is unclear. Unclear. Okay. Next is read again. Read again, again, reread. Reread means read again. The opposite of pack. Opposite of pack will be unpack. Yes, and this is your exercise done. Okay. So you can solve it easily. Next is suffixes. Suffixes are added to the end of a base word. They change the meaning of the base word. Wonder plus full. Okay. So suffixes means at the end of the word. Okay. And prefix means prefix at the beginning of the word. Starting में जो ऐड होते हैं वो prefix होते हैं और जो end में ऐड होते हैं वो suffix. So wonder is the root word. Wonder is the root word and full. Full is your suffix. So wonderful. Rest is your root word. Rest is root word and full. Full is your suffix. It is your suffix. So restful. Okay. So wonder means आश्चर्य and wonderful means आश्चर्यजनक. Rest. Okay. Wonder and rest. These are verbs. And जब हम wonderful बोलते हैं, restful बोलते हैं, these are adjectives. Okay. Suffixes. Okay. So here is an exercise for you. The suffix ly means in a certain way. Okay. किसी भी काम को किसी तरीके से करना in a certain way. It is called ly. ly means in a certain way. Quickly. Quickly means quick तरीके से, quick way में, जल्दी से. Loudly means loud way, जोर से. Okay, quick means quick way. What does suddenly mean? Suddenly means sudden. Sudden means क्या होता है? अचानक. Suddenly, अचानक से. Okay, in a sudden way. Suddenly means in a sudden way. The suffix full means full of. जब भी कोई चीज complete होती है, full हो जाती है, तो हम क्या कहेंगे? ओके. सफिक्स तो FUL होता है, लेकिन जब उस वर्ड में जाके ओके सफिक्स आपका FULL होता है, लेकिन जब उस वर्ड में ऐड होता है तो वो FUL बनता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कलरफुल. ठीक है. तो एक्चुअल में जो आपका सफिक्स है वो FULL है, क्योंकि FULL की मीनिंग है फुल, कंप्लीट. लेकिन जब मैं उसे कलर के साथ ऐड करती हूँ COLOR प्लस FULL, बट आंसर क्या बनेगा? COLOR FUL, कलरफुल. ओके. प्लेफुल मीन्स फुल ऑफ प्ले, प्ले से एकदम फुल. ओके. सो प्लेफुल. व्हाट डज थैंकफुल मीन्स? ओके. फुल ऑफ थैंक. ठीक है, कि मैं कंप्लीटली फुल ऑफ थैंक हूँ कि किसी ने मेरा वर्क किया, तो आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू. ओके. यस. एक्सरसाइज अगेन. Add a suffix to the end of each base word draw a line to its new meaning. Okay, so first we will add a suffix loud. Loud से loudly, you know. So in a loud way. First one is colorful, F-U-L, colorful. So full of color. Wonderful, wonderful, full of wonder. And meaning spelling में क्या होगा? F-U-L, single L. And the meaning will be full of wonder, here double L. Suddenly, यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? Suddenly, L-Y, means in a sudden way. Playful, playful means full of play. So you can do it easily. Okay, so loudly, in a loud way. Colorful, full of color. Wonderful, full of wonder. Suddenly, in a sudden way. Playful, full of play. Okay, done? So you can easily solve this. Yes. So next question for you. Match each word with its definition. Yes. So here, healthful, you know very well. Healthful means what? Full of health. Yes, full of health. Slowly, in a slow way. Unlock. Unlock means, yes, tell me unlock. Opposite of lock. Reheat, to heat again. Sadly, in a sad way. Uncomfortable, so not comfortable. Reread, to read again. Are you getting the meaning? Okay, कि कैसे हम प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स ऐड करते हैं और अपना जो रूट वर्ड है, बेस वर्ड है, उसकी मीनिंग हम क्या कर देते हैं? चेंज कर देते हैं. So that's all about today's class. Thank you for watching.